Hello, this is Itai Levitin doing a JPY USD technical analysis for Forex Live, Japanese yen versus the US dollar. Actually, the opposite way around. It's actually, we're looking at the USD JPY. So it looks like we have been downtrending with this downtrend on bearish channel. It's not perfect. It could be more precise here, excuse me. Probably more like around here. But it's more or less the same idea because it tried to break up from the top band of this bull flag, which is a bear channel. And then it succeeded over here on the 3rd of February, breaking out very nicely, probably a news induced. And then because a lot of times trends they start from earlier than what most of us see. It actually starts during the end of the bear channel. There's already an upward a channel, which is a bear flag. Okay, so I'm expecting price, and we are looking at the daily time frame here, to rise up and to get to the top band of this potential bear flag and then sell off. So some prices I'm looking at is 134.772, which is the high of 6th of January 23. I'm also looking at the bottom of December 2nd, 22, which is 133.619. So do watch how price reacts if and when it gets there. I also have this dotted line over here with this low over here starting on September 22nd and going through 15th of November and going over here on the 6th of January where it actually acted as a magnet. Price crossed up a bit, tried to break out of the channel, probably faking out some bulls. That's why it's important to look at daily candle closes and not just price crossing a certain level. And it faked out the bulls here, went back down to the downtrend channel, but that magnet was also because of this line. So also watch this line as it appears here. Depends how when we're gonna get there, but it's around for tomorrow. It's around 132.85 or so. Okay, so there is a chance, as mentioned, that I think that there's a good chance that some bulls will get faked out, meaning it does, for example, something like this, and then actually breaks out or starts to break out from that bull flag, maybe even crossing up that 134 and then going down, and then also possibly going like this because this is a bear flag and it'll probably play out. So watch the 134.772 just below or just above. It would be fantastic just above to fake out some, trap some more bulls, and then go down. That would be a beautiful short. And what I mean by beautiful is that it's not that I know, because I don't, if it'll work out, but it means that there is a wonderful, if it gets there, there is a wonderful reward versus risk. Uh, a lot of the trading is all about being patient and waiting for the spots that might be fulfilled. And when they do, actually taking a contrarian bet, because when it gets there, most people will want to think, oh, this is going up again, crossing the potential bear flag upwards. So that's a failed setup, and that would be very bullish in the eyes of many people. But then it's actually, on the contrary, a good point to look at the short. So in this case, we could be going, for example, for a 0.9% risk, and then going all the way because it might actually go down and again retest. It looks a bit crazy now. Will USD JPY really get to around 123, maybe. But in any case, that would be a great reward versus risk because then we would catch it at the top end of the potential bear flag, and it could go down, creating a new low because the bear flag, its potential will create a new low. This is the low over here, okay, the low of 16th of January, which is 127.215. So the potential of the bear flag is to go below that. That would be the execution of the flag, its potential. So yeah, so that we're looking at about an 8 to 1, 9 to 1, 10 to 1 potential here on that trade. Okay, so in summary, look for a grind up to the levels of 133.619 and also above to 134.772, and then look for a quick spike up and a reversal, faking out the bulls and making another significant leg down. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm sharing with you. Do trade the Japanese yen versus the USD at your own risk. Do return to Forex Live for some interesting perspectives